Everyone talks about introverts being quiet, shy, and withdrawn. But what if those traits were actually strategic advantages? Introverts often feel left out, but they don't stay stuck. They adapt. They plan. They turn rejection into focus. Research shows that introverts reflect longer, plan more deeply, and stick with goals that others drop. They're not behind, they're building quiet power. The world may overlook introverts today. But in the long game? Strategy wins over style. With the emergence of artificial intelligence, having a brilliant co-pilot is a game changer. Just think about the many things introverts can now build on their own. That's the introvert advantage. For more introvert resources, check out The Strategic Introvert by clicking the link below.